Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial on Poodle. Here I will explain some of the facilities provided in the Poodle to which can help you in giving instructions in a better way for online teaching. Okay, so to start with, first you should check uh, that you should check what type of editor is there. So once you click on editor preference, you will get a you will, on your screen it will come the editors. You can from the drop down menu you can select the editor. I have selected TinyMCE HTML editor. After this I go back. I should save this. I didn't save it, so save changes. Once it has been saved, I can go back. I have to go back. Okay. So I will write here in the subject Poodle tutorial, and here in the message I can expand this toolbar by clicking on this icon, and once you click on it you will see the Poodle tools. Like here we have got this is an icon for audio recording, this one is for video recording, and you have this is for auditing, and yeah, here, or basically these you can see here, these are the Poodle tools. If you want to, this for recording, this is for video recording, and this is if you want to write something or draw some picture, etc. So I will show you one by one how we can use this. First I will explain recording of the audio. So once you click on this icon in the toolbar, you will see this thing on your screen, and just when you will press here, you have got three buttons. One is for recording, another is for play. You can replay whatever you have recorded, and then you have to upload it and then insert it. These are the four steps you have to do. So let us start with the recording. Okay, I'll once again saying welcome all of you to this tutorial on Poodle. Here I am going to explain you the various facilities which are available, which can be used very effectively for online teaching. And now I would stop the recording by pressing again on this button, and you will see that there is a green tick mark that recording has been done. So to check it, I will click on the play button. After checking my recording, if I am satisfied, I will go on and upload it. So once I get this indication here that it has been uploaded successfully, I will insert it. So here you see that I've got a link for this thing. So if I click on the link, I think I'll have to leave it like this. Okay, next thing is the video recording. I'll explain how to do the video recording. So I'll click on this icon. Again I'll get this screen. The same three buttons are there. First one is for recording. I will start the recording by clicking on this button. Hello everybody, I am explaining here how to use the various facilities available on the Poodle, which can be very effectively used for teaching online. Thank you very much. To stop the recording, I will press again on the record button. Now I will check how my recording has gone. So once I am satisfied with my recording, I will upload it and wait for its uploading. Now the uploading is successful. It is being indicated here. So then I will go and click on insert button. So it has inserted along with my earlier thing. I will break it and I will separate it. Fine, okay. Lastly, I am going to explain you about the draw a picture facility. This can be used to draw a picture, to write something, to write numbers. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Let's see. So here I see few buttons on the top. This is for selecting the color of my sketch or writing. So I will select red color. This tool helps in fixing the size of whatever we write. Like if I keep it to minimum and if I try to draw a line, I'll get a line of this thickness. But if I increase the size, if I shift it to right side, and again if I try to draw a line, you will see this is of this much thick size. So you can, depending upon what you are going to show, you can see, you can select the size of your line or the thickness of your line. Now if you want to remove all these things, you have to click on this button. It will remove everything. Now say if I want to explain to students something about fractions, I will press this icon which is for a pen for writing, and if suppose I want to show them how to depict the fractions of a square. Say if this is my square and I have to show, I ask students, or if I want to explain them the 1/4 of this square. So what I will do, I will divide it into 4 equal parts, because I have to show 1/4, and now I know that this section is equal to 1/4. So I can depict it in either writing on it the 1/4 of the fraction, or if I don't want this, if I want to show it by coloring, so I will delete it. I have deleted everything. I will write again. Actually I should have erased it, not the delete, not I should have deleted it. Like here I have again divided into 4 equal parts, and I am showing here as the 1/4 fraction of this square. Now suppose I don't want to show it like this, I would like to show by coloring this square. I can use the eraser icon, and then I will make it slightly thicker so that I am able to erase the whole thing properly. Now if I want to show this square in a as a colored part, as a colored fraction part, I can select a gray color and I will make it slightly thicker so that I can fill it quickly. Oh, this gray color is not visible, so I will select another color. Say I'll select blue color, and then I will write y. Okay. okay, I have to use this. Yeah, so in this way I can use this thing. Okay, and then I will say I will save the picture, I will insert it, so it will appear here. So you can see that my two links are there, my this picture which I had used is also there. So this is how you can use Poodle uh, for explaining things to the students during online teaching. Thank you very much for watching my video.